jump. That crane, when I went through him, it made my controls backwards. So I was sitting there running in circles.
Is that what happened?
Yeah.
Because I was wondering, my shit was all fucked up.
All right, turtle time. Time to beat him. Time to beat the damn assholes. Turtle time. Slow motion for you. Oh,
Lightning killed me.
I like it like that. I just work it that back. I'm coming to get you. My shit's backwards.
Okay, lightning.
There we go. I'm throwing it. I'm killing the crane.
He's down.
Let's make sure this is the area that we're supposed to be in. Next reading? Oh, they're still here. Yeah, same spot.
Hey, we didn't have to make no bitch.
All right, I got combos for days. Combos. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. With combos, assholes.
Whoops.
Come here. Let me kill the crane while you take care of him. Actually, that's not a crane.